How to solve WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable. Please try again in 1 hour on iPhone. So, this usually happens when WhatsApp temporarily locks your account after repeated verification attempts. If you have recently verified your number multiple times, don't retry immediately. Wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. Avoid uninstalling or re verifying during this cooldown, it can reset the timer. So now, once you wait for it, simply check your internet connection afterwards. Make sure your Wi Fi or mobile data is working. You can also try opening Safari or YouTube if needed. If slow or not loading, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. You can also reset or reconnect your Wi Fi and router. After that, go back and simply tap on the App Store from your home screen. Once you tap on the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and type down WhatsApp and search for it. Then tap on the official WhatsApp app from the list, and if you see the update option available, tap on the update. Sometimes outdated version can cause connections and verification issues. And that will be if you have waited more than 24 hours and still shows the message, then you will need to contact the WhatsApp support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.